everyone, as you all know that NEET UG 2025 results are announced now, and today we have All India rank 14 with us, Soumya Sharma. Soumya, how does it feel to be AIR 14?
I'm feeling very nice. When I started my preparation, I never expected I would achieve this rank, but when I am achieving it, I'm feeling very overjoyed.
You are feeling overjoyed. Tell us about your preparation strategy. How did you start and what kept you motivated?
Ma'am, I started my NEET preparation in class 11 from Narayana Jaipur. During my preparation, the teachers helped me a lot. Initially, I was not believing in myself that I would achieve this rank, but as I talked to my teachers, my parents, they always motivated me about that I can also and achieve a good rank.
That's so nice. Tell us about the error analysis and the test series that you have undergone. How were they and how did you manage the score in the test series?
Ma'am, during my preparation, I watched that my teachers were always busy, but then also they were giving me time for my doubts 24/7. The teachers that taught me in the classroom, the same were available for me during my doubt sessions. We have undergone different types of test series, the GTs, NTs, PTs. Initially, we were having part syllabus test. Then in the middle of that, we were having national test with common ranks, all India. We were having many types of GTs and from different Narayana centers across the India that helped us to grab all the NCRT lines.
So you are saying that you have undergone a lot of tests. That is evident in your rank. Now tell us about during your preparation strategy, like during your routine, how did you manage your time among all the three subjects?
And we were having the coaching for 4 hours. Then apart from that, I would devote 5 to 6 hours for self-study. And during my time, I mostly studied physics because it was tough for me. So my teacher said that to understand the concept of physics, you should practice it more. So I devoted my maximum time for physics because bio is that easy subject. So
Right.
I can devote a much lesser time for it.
Now, physics is generally a nightmare for biology students, right? But how did you manage to devote so much of time to physics? Did you like physics? Was it like that?
Initially, I didn't like physics, but when I started solving good questions and JEE mains, I started liking it. That it gives me a kick. That questions are very nice and that reasoning helped me.
You said that you are for NEET student, but you also practice JEE question,
Yes.
so that you can get a hint of the questions for physics, right? I think that is something that have helped you to gain this rank because physics was literally very tough,
Yes.
right? Now tell us about your books. Like on which books did you rely on, and what were the other reference books that you have referred to?
And the primary book was the NCRT in all the subjects. Then I solved the NCRT exemplar for the questions. Then the Narayana modules were sufficient more for me. Even after that, if I needed some more questions, I would go for DC Pandey in physics, and for theory, I referred NCRT only in physics. Then for chemistry, there was not much needed, but for specific topics, I read in inorganic JDL, and in organic chemistry, I read Paula Bruce. And for biology, I never
You just relied on NCRT. Because
NCRT and notes.
Notes, that's nice. Now tell us about your hobbies. That what are the other hobbies that you like other than studying?
Although I never had that much hobbies, but at the weekends I used to go to play kabaddi and with my friends.
That's nice. That's so nice. So this was Soumya Sharma, All India rank 14, and you were watching Narayana Educational Institutions. Thank you so much.